Alright guys, welcome back to the video, and today we're going to take a quick look at this Logitech K400 Plus television keyboard here that I have with me. So you can see this is the packaging of the device. So let's take a quick look of it. Let's look at the specs actually. So we have a built-in touchpad as you saw earlier, and this one is wireless, so we have 2.4 GHz wireless USB. They give a USB adapter inside the box, up to 10 meters it says, and obviously has media friendly key layout, which is nice, and 18 months of battery life. But they only give you they give you some batteries inside, but if it's finished you have to change yourself obviously. So this is how you're supposed to use a keyboard on the couch. It's supposed to be on the lap, so it's pretty nice. So this one's in yellowish, it's in yellow color actually. There's a bit here and there here. So let us unbox this thing, and this is the USB adapter, as what I said. Let us cut it open and take a quick look at it. Cutting it. 2 tapes here, got it. I think that's it. Comes out like that, and then just lift it up. I'm gonna give you a good look here. And there we go. And that's it. Let's put this aside first, and what else we get. So we just got a setup guide, pretty straightforward actually. You just connect it, and then you just put the stand and just turn it on. So it's pretty simple. And this one is the important safety information, warranty information as well. If you really want to read this, it's up to you. I'm not gonna read it. And that's pretty much it. So that is the unboxing. And let us remove the wrapper. So just wrapper here, and here we go. This is the keyboard. Looks like we have a tab to pull the battery, so once we pull this, I think the battery will start to charge. So you can see here it's blocking the battery. So once I remove this, yep, there we go, now power's in, and now we should have power. And here it is. So we have looks like it has an indentation here, it seems, so it's like slanting. So this is the keyboard sound. Overall pretty nice design. It's mostly plastic, but the design wise is pretty nice. Tactile keyboard here. So we have a touchpad over here, volume up, down, mute, and your key left and right button. We have a Windows key, it seems here, so it does work with Windows obviously. You can connect this to Android TV box as well. I'm going to try that later, but it's mainly for television, so it's designed to work with most smart TVs and Android TV box. So yeah, and yeah, it's a quick, I think this one, I'm not sure what's this button, do I have to try it myself. Yeah, looking for the dongle. I think the dongle is here. Just give a quick check. Where is the dongle? Guys, so I found the dongle actually. It's over here. It's hidden here, you can see. So yeah, just make sure to don't throw the box, because it doesn't go, the dongle is not inside here, it's in the box. So make sure you check that before you throw away. So I did found the dongle here. So just plug this into your PC or your TV box, and you should be able to turn it on right here. There's a switch right here, it's green. So we just turn on, means it's on. Pretty straightforward. Well guys, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Logitech K400. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out.